So I just got my May 2024 Boxycharm Ipsy box. This was the replacement box because my other one got lost in the mail. And so this is what came in it. Eyeshadow palette, mascara, blush. What's this? Brow gel. Lipstick. And for points, I got the Luna Magic brushes. And I got a face sponge to put on concealer and foundation. The only thing missing was my lip liners. So Ipsy went and gave me 600 points to replace my lip liner. So that was all right. And another thing missing was the pamphlet that came in the box. I mean, I wish they would put like foam inside the boxes like they used to be, not cardboard paper. Anyway, that's everything I got. Have a good day.